Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our English learning series. Have you ever wondered how to talk about yesterday or last week, last month, last year? To do this, we need the past simple tense. We will discuss what this tense is, how to form this tense, how to use it to form questions, and last but not least, we'll do a little bit of practice. Let's get started. So I really want to put out some good content for you guys, and I'm really working on building up my channel. And the way that you can support me in that is to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment. Let me know where you are on your English journey. Anything that you want to say, I do read comments. So please leave me one, subscribe, and I would love to connect with you. The simple past is used to talk about actions that started and finished in the past. So they are done, over, finito. I ate pizza yesterday. I went to the movies last week. See? Actions that happened before now, they're gone and in the past. Bye, pizza I ate yesterday. You were delicious. How do we create the simple past tense? Well, let's start with regular verbs. Easy peasy, right? We just add an ed, and that puts us right back there in the past where we belong. Take a look at this. Play, played. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Simple, right? But wait, English likes to keep us on our toes. So now we have irregular verbs. Now, these verbs don't follow the rules. They're the rebels of the English language. They do their own thing. So we take a word like go. Well, we can't add an ed. There is no go. No. Second form of that verb is went. Go, went. Eat, ate. See, saw. Buy, bought. Why do irregular verbs change like that? The answer is no one really knows. It's one of those mysteries in life, like who built the pyramids. Little secret, it was the aliens, but don't tell the FBI. Now, let's talk about the formula. Similar to the present perfect tense, you have your subject, your verb, your object, but we're just gonna put that verb into the past tense, adding ed again with regular verbs. And with irregular verbs, well, you got to do a little magic. But the structure is generally the same. If you want to add another layer to your sentence, adding an adverb of time at the end of that sentence. For example, I cooked yesterday, or I woke up late this morning. So you can use an adverb of time and kind of give more details about when this event happened in the past. Again, last week, last month, yesterday, last year. And that just helps to create some more dimension when you're speaking and you're trying to learn to build on your sentences in the simple past tense. Now, what if we want to try the negative form and questions? Well, that's actually quite simple. We just add did not, aka didn't, on to the base verb and then the base verb. So I didn't cook yesterday because I was tired. I worked 12 hours and I came home. I was exhausted, so I didn't cook yesterday. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. But you see? So you just add did not or didn't to make it negative. Now let's talk about questions. So to form questions, we just have to use did, of course, and then the subject, and then the object. So did puts us in past tense, okay? So we don't have to change the base verb. The verb stays the same. That is a mistake to avoid. Don't touch that verb. If you put did there, then that verb needs to be in its base form. So did plus subject plus base verb and then the object. Did you wash the dishes? Did you wash the dishes yesterday? Did you clean the kitchen? Did you go to work? Now it's time for a quiz. It's time for a quiz. It's time for a quiz. Don't you just love quizzes? No, just me. Okay, then we're still gonna do it. Number 1, yesterday I blank a huge burger. Remember, this is an irregular verb. What is it in past tense? Ate. Nice job. Next one. She blanked to the park last weekend. Again, another irregular. Went. She went to the park last weekend. Let's try one more. They blank a scary movie last night. This is regular, so quite simple. We add our ed. They watched a scary movie last night. Great job. Give yourself a high five or, just, pat yourself on the back. So I have a little challenge for you. Write 3 sentences in the simple past in the comments, and then I will try to shout them out in the next video. I really hope that you enjoyed spending this time with me. Learning English is so refreshing. It's so fun. So just take that journey and enjoy it. Make the mistakes. Don't take yourself too seriously because it takes a lot of dedication and patience and time to get to where you want to be with English.